Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to start EHP 7 latest version and SAP EHP 7 latest version software, how to start the server and how to stop the server and how to start the clan logon and how to stop the clan. So I'll show you step by step. Let's begin and let's continue till end of the videos. You'll get idea how to manage the server, how to use this server SAP and how to take more advantage. So I'll explain to you everything. Okay, let's continue. Thank you. Let's open the VMware workstation from desktop. Here already I configure that. Okay, so what I'll do, just I'll keep here and click the power on this virtual machine and click yes, click yes, click yes until open the Windows or Windows Server. So you have to click the yes. So wait for few minutes and then in between you can click the full screen option here. Enter screen, full screen option is there. So you can able to see clearly all details and then click the administrator, not another one. Administrator is the login for yours and password is welcome 123 but caps W caps welcome 123. And before this starting server, SAP server and clan, I'll just explain to you configuration required. So nowadays people are already upgrading everyone, for speed. It is mandatory. If you have, it will be good. Minimum SSD required. SSD is very fast and minimum 8 GB to 12 GB RAM. It is good for ESP 7. So if you have that configuration, it will be good. i3, i5, whatever they are, right? So process minimum i3, i5. It is support. So let's continue the server. This is called SAP server, SAP management console, and this one is SAP logon. First you need to start the server. So I'll be start the SAP server, SAP management. Just double click on here and click again full screen and click this here full screen. Then you can able to see and click the plus option. Here process will be there. So wait for a few seconds. Yeah, so NVD, this is server name. Even SAP system also server name only. Just click the plus option and again click the plus option from this one NVV dev 0 and you can able to see here all process list very important. ABAP table is also very important. Okay, just I'm showing on this all everything. And how to start? Simple. You can write click the SAP system also is start stop. This all option is there. Taskbar start stop and you can click this, select this and you can able to start from here also, start and stop this symbol and again NVD. So here also right click and start or stop. So same thing, everything is same only, just SAP system. I'll be do start, click start and password is same, welcome 123 caps W, other everything is small letter, W caps welcome 123. So when you start the server, it will be show one symbol like option like process, color will be changed in this whole area, this process server, gray yellow. Now it is showing here gray, now it is coming see yellow color. And after some time it will take 2 to 3 minutes because this system is very fast. There's a 16 GB RAM and SSD 500 GB SSD, so it will be fast. So whatever I am saying, this is same thing happening, gray, yellow, green. So after green color you have to click the as ABAP W table. So here you can able to see run mean that is what running. So this very fast system. Wait mean completely started. So just you can refresh here. Even this run option also wait also. So we need to wait for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, or some system will be take 5 minutes, 6 minutes like that based on configuration. Okay, so one is running still, right? Run mean running. Wait mean completely started, only one is running. So one is running mean not a problem. So you can able to continue. Okay, just minimize the server. This is completely started, so it will be easily it will run. So what will start after server? Next is clan. This is logon. Okay, without clan you can able to practice. So open this logon. Double click this EHP, ECC, ESP7. This is even ECC also there, ESP7 also there, and all module you can able to install my software. So Lakshmi Computer offering lifetime support free. Okay, anything minor problem you can do. Major problem it's cost less. Okay, so that negotiable. Don't worry about that. If you have any problem, contact me. Anything support will show you that website. You can able to visit there also. And once you double click that logon, ECC ESP7, it is showing here also mentioned IDES ECC 6 point including 6.0 including ESP7. So username is SAP user. Okay, one time if you give automatic will show. Password is same again, W caps welcome 123. Yeah, so it is finally opened that logon and successfully open. So if you want to practice, anyway trainer will help you how to use that transaction code. So I'll be show you. This is called transaction code. That's the menu SPRO. It's main transaction code for functional, and then you have to click that here SAP reference IMG. So this very system is very fast. And next is if you coming back here NEO/NEO, it will come again. If you go for SAP above SC38, this is a technical programming 38. This is a programming side. So I'll just open Z hyphen example Santosh. My name is Santosh or Thai, whatever you give. Create this, or if you don't need space, I think it is not required space. I think so. Z above Z underscore above. Click here. Yeah, it is creating, it is supporting. Even you can give here Z underscore above or Santosh, whatever there. Okay, click here executive program. Click save. Okay, and the local object. Yeah, that one is first one is functional SAP Pico, SDMM, HR, everything will work. This is a technical. So technical it will be supporting. Here you have to do the programming. I hope you understand how to start the functional, how to start the technical. Okay, there are multiple transitions. Trainer will help you. So now I'm going to be do the back again /NEO. Okay, and we'll do the closing and logon, SAP logon, how to start the logon. I'll explain to you. Very simple. You can do from here also. SAP logon, system, click the SAP logon, log off, and click yes. This is the way of stopping the log off. Even you can close this one also. This is close option is there, cross symbol. You can click the same thing. It will go. Do you want to log off? Yes. Okay. But simple. Officially, you will do this all easily. Click system and log off. Do you want to log off? Yes. And finally, log on is log off. So you have to close this and maximize the server again. Again, how to stop? Same thing. Right click the SAP system and click stop. It's very easy. So and click OK. Okay, don't change anything here. Click OK. How I am giving an option like step by step. You have to follow this same thing. It's very easy. And any doubts, you can contact us. Where is I mentioned that below the number in upside also. We'll give you lifetime support. Anytime you can call me and or WhatsApp me in this below mention that number. I'll assist you. That's my commitment. So I hope you understand same thing. And after restart the server, again color will change green, yellow, gray. Okay. So just refresh it if you are hurry. Or if you don't have, done, because server is main important. So if you want to use this server, or SAP more time, like 1 year, 2 years, you have to manage the server this way. Okay, then you can able to use. And directly don't close the server or clan or SAP. So it will be, major problem will come. Major problem will be later also, after 1 month, 2 months, it will be cost for us. But it will give you best price, don't worry about that. Just refresh this. So I hope you can able to see yellow color came here, green plum, and just refresh till now again. Just wait for few minutes, it is taking time because first time we are restarting this laptop. Dell laptop and Lenovo laptop is very fast in SAP. HP laptop, it's little slow. If you have SSD, it will be good. Yeah, after that, when I'll give timing 2 to 3 minutes, what will option is there? Once you set down, there are no item view, this view. Okay, there are no item. So what you'll do, you have to give time still. Just refresh it in desktop inside here, and also I'll show you VMware server. Before stop also, you can do 2 work. Here, once you'll move the top, it is there, see, all options are there. You can learn lots of things also additionally. And you can minimize this and you can able to use your original OS, internet, whatever there, Google, okay, or ChatGPT, whatever you want to use, or YouTube, anything. And minimize, and again practice the, click this VM option and click this SAP, you can able to practice, keep on. And if you think like, you don't want to be work 2 to 3 hours, you want to be like, I don't want to stop the server, so you can able to suspend here. Okay, suspend mean it is not directly stop. You can do this like this also. But if you do multiple time, it will be hang your system, because this is a HP laptop, so it will be very slow in this way. So Dell and Lenovo mean it will be fast. So see, now this is yeah, this is called fail. So what you'll do, this is finally completely came in gray color. What you'll do, close this, it will be not taking. So let's, yeah, now click this file and click the exit. So this is where we'll do server start and stop process. This little bit hang. Just if it is hang, then I can click it here. Okay, yeah, and see it is showing. Click this exit. Because this is latest version, so it is taking time, because ECC mean it will be very fast on this system, but ESP7 also good because here 16 GB RAM is there, that's why. So I hope you understand how to start the server, how to stop the server. And here again, if you shut down, same thing, click start button in server, and you have to be shut down the server. Just I'll show you again. Yeah, now again I'll show you same thing, it is happen like I'll be show you how to close the server and then Windows. Okay, other thing, everything I'll explain to you already. Yeah, so yeah, so this is the process after stopping the server. After stopping the server, so it will color change green, yellow, gray. So after that, what you'll do, you have to click the file and click the exit. Okay, click the no. So it will be not saved. So this is way you have to start the server, and ID password already I given here. Server ID will be there, automatically it will show, no need to change anything. And password is India 1 to 3. Clan is there 800, 810, 811, 812, you can able to use. Password is welcome 1 to 3, caps lock is it is there, W is a caps lock, okay, capital letter. So I'll be closing now. How to close? Just close this, shut down this server, Windows server latest version 2008. And shut down. So this is the process of how to start the server and how to start the server. Thank you. If you have any doubts, contact us on this number. Thank you.